And welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to use Hotspot on Android. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if your friend doesn't have access to internet, but in your phone you have access to internet, then you can share your mobile's internet with your friend. So how you can do this, you need to enable the hotspot. Okay, so first of all, make sure that you are connected with the net. Okay, make sure that the data connection is on. Then you will go into the settings here, and then you will go into basically network and internet. And then here you can see that we have hotspot and tethering. Okay, so you will tap on it, and then we have Wi-Fi hotspot. Tap on it, and then you have to enable this hotspot here. And now you have to ask your friend that enable Wi-Fi here. Okay, search for the Wi-Fi here, and then there will be a connection shown in his phone by this name. Okay, and here is the password. So you will basically tell him this password, and he will be connected with your phone, and then he can use your internet as well. So that's how hotspot works in Android. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.